Ready to ditch slow loading times and clunky hosting? Let's get your website moved to the lightning-fast world of Hostinger, hassle-free. First things first, log into your existing Hostinger account and navigate to the Websites section here. You'll see an option to add website or migrate website. Click on Migrate Website. Hostinger makes it super easy. You'll be prompted to select Migrate from another host. This is where you'll input the details of your current hosting provider. Don't worry, they guide you through gathering necessary information. The core of the migration involves moving your website's files. Hostinger offers a few methods, but often the easiest is to use their automated migration tool if your current host is supported. Alternatively, you can manually upload your files via File Manager within your Hostinger control panel, connecting via FTP. Next up is your website's database. This holds all your content, user data, and settings. If you're using a content management system like WordPress, this is crucial. You'll need to export your database from your old host and then import it into your new Hostinger database. The final vital step is updating your domain name system, or DNS. You'll need to change your domain's name servers to point to Hostinger. This tells the internet where your website now lives. Your existing registrar will have a section to manage your domain's DNS records. Once the DNS has propagated, which can take a few hours, your website will be live on Hostinger. Double-check everything works perfectly, your pages load quickly, and your navigation is smooth. And just like that, your website is officially migrated to Hostinger. For a complete, detailed walkthrough, check out the link in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe for more hosting tips.